Hey everybody, it's Jared and Lexi here at Big Pine Sports. It is snowing today, so what a better day than to head out and what are we gonna do?
Go moon biking.
We're gonna go moon biking. What the heck's a moon bike?
A bike that goes on the snow.
All right, you guys want to see them? Let's check it out. All right. Here we are getting ready to hit the moon bikes. So we have a truckload of fun here. We've got the moon bike in black. We've got the Sur-RON with the TRACKNGO kit on it. Yes, that's right. Sur-RONs are made for dirt, right? Well, we got a track on this one from TRACKNGO. And then we've got the white moon bike as well. So we're gonna head on up to about 10,000 feet in elevation. The snow is super deep, so we're gonna go out and answer a lot of your guys' questions about how well the Sur-RON and the moon bike do in the deep mountain powder. So here we go. Where do you get these toys? Well, you can get them at a few places, but the best place, check it out, right here at Big Pine Sports. Let's do it, Lex. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Why do you have an icicle in the truck?
I just grabbed it.
She hops in and she's like, I guess I don't need this icicle. We out.